guys, it's Sam from Raggedy Bits. I just thought I'd share with you today how easy it is to turn things that you might have lying around in your house that are being hidden in the cupboard because they're just dated or out of fashion or what have you. I'm sharing with you a few items today that my husband has had sitting in storage for about 10 years. So just thought I would pull them out, dust them off and give them a spruce up. So let's get busy painting. These little, or should I say gigantic candle holders. But first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give them a good wipe down because they've been, as I said, sitting in storage for quite a while. So I'm just going to use some Fusion TSP to get rid of any grunge or anything like that. Okay, so I've just got a little container of warm water with some Fusion TSP. So that gets rid of all of the gunk on the furniture, on your furniture or any piece that you're working on. So I'll just dab that in. I'm just going to wipe everything down. I'm going to go ahead now and paint these. I've just mixed 3 tablespoons of Miss Mustard Farmhouse White with 3 tablespoons of warm water, and it's been sitting there here for about 10 minutes. I like to let it sit for about 10 minutes before I start painting. And I always just make sure that I have my little mixer on standby just to give it a mix as I'm going through and painting. So I'll start off with the big candle holders first, and I'm just using my S50 short stubby little brush, and I've got no extra bond in here at all. Rest of those pieces are drying. I've only given this vase one coat of Farmhouse White because I wanted to have it so that it was more, like a bit more of a washed look. And I'm just going to go ahead and wet distress it. So using the same cloth that I used before but the other end because they're clean. Just dip it into a bit of water, and I'm just going to rub my finger over parts of the vase where they're a bit raised. So now that this is all dry, I'm just going to go ahead and sand. I'm just using my trusty Bosch sander. If you don't feel comfortable doing it with a hand, one can just use a sanding block, but when I'm doing bulk things, I just find that it's more easier to do it with the sander. So I just ended up grabbing my hand sander just to get, because there's quite a few little bits that my sander wouldn't get into, obviously, because it's so big. And I'm just going to go around and smooth out any lumps and bumps that might be left behind. So now that they've all been sanded back, and you can feel how smooth it is, it's gotten rid of all the lumps and bumps. I just use a brush that I haven't used before, a big brush, and I just go over my whole entire piece to get all the dust off. And then you've got a nice surface to then wax with. Okay, so just using a Chuck's cloth, I'm just going to use some Miss Mustard beeswax, and I'm going to seal all of these goodies that I've just painted. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video of turning things that you might have lying around in your house that you don't want to get rid of, but they need a bit of a freshen up. Just like these items that I shared with you today that my husband's had a hold of for a long time that have been sitting in storage. Anyway, be sure to subscribe, and I'll make sure that I put down below all the links of the products that I've used today, and also the link to the tutorial.